Hi guys, this is the second sheet about fractions, and here we have the relation between fractions, decimals and percentages. And you know that if you know some fractions, what is the value of it as decimal or percentage, it's okay. But if you don't know how to convert, for example 1/2, you know that the denominator you need to make it 10, 100 or 1000, so we can multiply by 5 up or down, so it's 5/10. Now it's 0.5 or 50%. If you have a decimal, then you need fraction. You know that this is 3/4. If you don't know, write this 75/100, because if you have two places after the point, so the number without the point is divided by 100. Now you can simplify this by 25. The answer will be 3/4. Sorry. This multiplied by, we can multiply this by 100 to get percentage, or you know that this is 0.4. Write 0.1 as a fraction. It's 1/10. Percentage is 10%. If it was 0.01, this will be 1/100, and this will be 1%. Number 3, 1/4 as a percentage is 25%. 1/4 as decimal 0.25 as the one in the table above. Write down the fraction. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. You can count or you can multiply. So it's, as you see, it's 1/3 parts, or it's 4/12. Then simplified by 3 by 3, it will be 1 by 4, it will be 1/3. 3/10 as decimal, this will be 0.3. Samuel says that 25 is greater than 0.3. Is he correct? As you know, this is 0.25 and this is 0.3. Comparing from left, this is bigger because this is 30, so he is not, because because 25% is 0.25, which is smaller than 0.3. You understand the idea? Now the table shows the percentages of votes each party obtains in an election. So the total here should be 100%. We have 25, 35, they are 60, 71. So 71%. So the remainder here will be 29%. Write 35 as a fraction. It will be 35/100. This will be divided by 5. It will be 7/20. As decimal, this will be 0.11. 800 people voted. What's 25%? So 25, this is a percentage of amount, so we multiply 25/100 multiplied by 8,000. The answer, you can cancel, simplify this. 25 multiplied by 8, it will be 200, and we have 0 to be 2,000. This as decimal, 0.2. 9% as a fraction, it will be 9/100. This is the simplest form. A train is late arriving into a station. A train is late arriving into a station. Okay, it should arrive at 5. It arrived 5:15. How many minutes late is the train? It's 15 minutes late. Write your answer as a fraction of an hour. A fraction of an hour. We have 15 minutes over how many minutes in 1 hour. So you can replace this by 60 minutes. Now you have same units, you can divide 15 over 60, it will be 1 over 4. Or you know that 15 minutes is quarter of an hour. You can do it mentally, or you by your knowledge, or you can work it. This will be 90%, because this is 9 over 10 multiplied by 100, it will be 90%. This will be 9 over 10. Here it's 7%. This is 35 over 100, which is, as we did a minute ago, 20. This will be 0.6. For every 200 that Mrs. Wallace earns, she saves 34. Work out 34 as a percentage of, okay, 34 is a part of 200. This will give you a decimal answer, but he needs it to be percentage. So you can work this and put the answer down. It will be 34 over 2, which is 17%. Last month, Mrs. Wallace earns 1,000. How much of this does she save? Okay, she saves 17% of her total, so it's now off 1,000. So it's 17 over 100 multiplied by 1,000. It will be 170. In the exam, you can do this way, or you can solve it by proportion. You know, understand the proportion way. Elena has 300 scarves that she takes to a market to sell. 7 over 10. She sells 7 over 10. How many? Okay, this is a fraction of a total multiplied by 300. This will be 210. Sorry, I take this 0 here. 3 multiplied 7, it will be 21. With 0, 210. Okay, you know now this is 70% and this is 0.7. Of this 300 scarves, 200 are not blue. Write the number of scarves which are blue as a fraction of the total. Okay, 200 of 300 are not blue. This is 2 over 3. The total is 1 or 3 over 3. We take away 2 over 3, which is not blue. The answer will be 1 over 3. What fraction of this shape is shaded? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 7, 8, 9. 9, so it's 2 over 3. Shade 0.4. 0.4 is 4 over 10. Is 2 over 5. So from each 5, shade 2. From each 5, shade 2. So you can shade 4 squares, any 4 squares as you like. What percentage? This is 3, 6 over 10, which is 60%. The last question. Okay, write down 1 as a fraction of 8. It will be 1 over 8. To know how what's this in percentage or decimal, this will be multiplied. So the answer is 1 over 8. Okay, for this question you can multiply by 100, or you can convert this to decimal first. How to convert this to decimal? Multiply by 125, as we said in the class. So this will be 1000 and this will be 125. So the answer will be 0.125. When you multiply this by 100%, this will be 12.5%. Okay, this is 0.85. This is 12%. Okay, now this is 85 over 100. The answer will be 17 over 20. this will be 12 over 100, which is divided by 4. It will be 3 over 25. Here multiply by 4, multiply by 4. This is 92, so this will be 0.92. This is 92%. I think this is the end of the second sheet. Yeah, no, we have 2 questions. Convert this to a fraction. It will be 1, 2, 4 over 1000. We can divide this by 4 or 8. No, we can try 4 first. This will be 31 and this will be 250, and this is your final answer, our simplified answer. To a decimal, this multiply by 5, multiply by 5, it will be 0.65. How many questions that we have left? All of these? Okay, 17 over as a percent. We can multiply this or divide or make it 1000 by multiplying by 25 by 25. $17 multiplied by 25. I know 16 multiplied by 25. It's 400 and 425 over 1000. This will be 0.425. Then multiply this by 100%. It will be 4 point. Sorry guys. It will be 42.5%. 5 over 8, multiply this by 125, 625 over 1000, decimal, it will be 0.625. Okay, thank you for watching this video and see you later inshallah.